Hello, I'm Amrita.
I'm Ramya, we are from BNMIT.
This is our video for Texas Instruments Innovation Challenge 2015.
Air pollution is one of the environmental issues that cannot be ignored. The heavy transportation and urbanization result in the air pollutants concentrated in certain areas. The World Health Organization has pegged air quality in most cities worldwide its guidelines for safe levels, but in India it appears among the worst. Delhi tops the list of most polluted cities. Smart cities are developed urban areas that are controlled and monitored using digital technology to create eco-friendly ecosystem. Rise in vehicular traffic is one of the main reasons for increase in air pollution. In our proposed model, we are trying to minimize the level of air pollutants by using efficient traffic management.
Here we are making use of MSP 430 G255 series microcontroller. Next, we have used a gas sensor MQ7 which will detect the amount of pollution and convert it into its corresponding voltage. Here comes the temperature sensor in order to measure the temperature of the environment. TI-MSP 430 understands digital values. So, we have used an inbuilt ADC in order to convert analog values into digital. We have also used an LCD display which is used to display the digital values. LCD display used here is a 16x display. As shown previously in the circuit diagram, we have demonstrated this particular circuit using the TI-MSP430 microcontroller. Here we have TMS G255 microcontroller, LCD to display the values, and then we have a LM35 temperature sensor and a gas sensor, that is MQ7 placed over here. Next is here the first line shows the value of the temperature sensor, and here it denotes, second line denotes this carbon monoxide level measured in ppm. While I bring the agarbatti near the gas sensor, here we can see that the temperature is increasing. The amount of carbon monoxide is increasing tremendously as shown here. Then once it reaches a threshold, it is being indicated in that particular sensor. Similarly with the temperature, as we bring the agarbatti near the raise the temperature near the temperature sensor, here we can see the corresponding change in the LCD. In the circuit, we have made a prototype for the smart city. Where first case 1 is one-way traffic and heavy traffic, and the case 2 is with respect to 4 roads meeting at one junction. Here, as we know, the amount of pollution as it increases, the sensors will detect the amount of carbon monoxide, and thereby the amount of timer will increase the stopping time for this particular road. So that is how we can reduce the amount of pollution at that particular junction. Here we have shown a case of 4 roads meeting at one particular junction, and when the vehicles are when the vehicular population increases, then the amount of pollution obviously increases. It will detect the amount of carbon monoxide and increases the time. People will look at that time and switch off their vehicles, and thereby saving and reducing the carbon monoxide emission.